India is a riverine country. Most rivers are named after the female gender. Very few rivers are named after the male gender. One of them is Brahmaputra, is called son of Brahma. Welcome all audience. The subject of this video today is a short description of Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river, one of the largest river in the world. It is called Tsangpo in Tibet. It is a transboundary river which flow through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. It is ninth largest river in the world by discharge and 15th longest river. It originates from Chumangdung Glacier near the Kailash range, which situated north side of Himalaya at an elevation of 5210 meters. But now, one scientist, Liu Shaochuang, shows that Brahmaputra originates from Angassi Glacier. From the source region, it flows eastward longitudinally for a distance of nearly 1200 km in a dry and flat region of Tibet. And this is known as the Tsangpo, means the purifier. Many tributaries join the upper course of Brahmaputra river. The Rongo Tsangpo major right bank tributaries of this river in Tibet. The Brahmaputra enters into India near west of Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh. Tsangpo river conjoin with Dihang river, foothills of Himalaya, and next conjoin with Lohit river. From this region, it is called Brahmaputra river. In India, the length of river is 885 km. Major right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra river is Subansiri, Manush, Shankos, etc. And right bank tributaries originates from Himalayan area. Major left bank tributaries are Dihang, Lohit, Bruhidiyang, Dhanshiri, Kopili, etc. Left bank tributaries are originates from hill region of Meghalaya, Bangladesh and China. Tista joins the right bank of Brahmaputra river. And the river is known as the Yamuna river. And finally, Brahmaputra merges with the river Padma and falls in the Bay of Bengal. Yamuna River in Bangladesh. Total basin area is 7,12,035 square km, and total discharge of the Brahmaputra river is 45,035 square meter per second. But in flat time, it can reach over 5,89,000 cube meter per second. Thank you watching my video.